Friends, Running Kimono here. So we have the preview for Walgreens for the week of the 18th to the 24th of August. It's another terrific week. The first thing we're going to talk about is this very rich booster, a 12-pack when you spend $60. Tell me in the comments down below what you received. I think for a lot of us that received this one, since we're not rich, we might take a big old pass on it. It's just such a massive basket, and yeah, it's very rich. However, a lot of us also received this, which is a 6-pack when you buy 4 dental care products. I think this one mirrors the in-store deal with the register reward. This is online only, so we'll definitely investigate this one a little bit more on Monday with the curbside video. If you could do me a huge kindness and please like this video, it really helps me and the channel out if you could just take a quick second and like the video so this doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. Just take a second and like the video. You guys are awesome. Okay, so please treat this video as a preview. The full ad along with all of the digital manufacturers will be published on Sunday the 18th. Okay, so the one thing I do want to mention before we start diving into the deals, I made a video on Thursday on how to load the digital coupons through the weekly flyer. I know on Sunday, sometimes you can't see the coupons that we're talking about. You have to go through the flyer. I'll link this video at the very end. Important to watch. Okay, deal number 1. Hey, guess what's back? $1.99 Arm & Hammer Laundry Care. If you have extra register rewards, Walgreens cash, something just burning in your pocket, even a store coupon that you can use with this, I would definitely stock up. $1.99 is a fantastic price point for Arm & Hammer, so I would definitely try and figure something out. Fantastic, fantastic. We also have the 4 for $10, and look what's at 12 o'clock. We have the big Dons, so they will be $2.50 each. I mean, this is the time to stock up. I know a lot of you don't like the new clean scent, but the apple one, I've been using that one for about a week and a half. It washes for dishes or hand soap. It's really fantastic, and I like the apple scent. Deal number 1 we're going to look at is with the Oral-B toothbrushes, $3 a pop. We have a 6 off of 4 digital coupon, $6 register reward when you buy 4. So I'm thinking for that other weird booster, it's going to be for online. So grabbing 4 of these for $12, so $3, so 3 times 4. Subtracting your digital coupon, that's a loadable on Sunday. You'll pay $6, get back a $6 register reward, making it free. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but free toothbrushes, fantastic. Now we have a little Colgate deal. We're going to be trying to find products at $4 each. So grabbing 2 of them, that's going to be $8. Subtracting your digital coupon, which is a 4 off of 2, you'll pay 4 out of pocket, get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. The next little dealio that we're looking at is with the Gillette and Venus razors for $9.99. $10 reward when you buy 2. I'm assuming we're going to get $3 digitals on Sunday. So that's one of those that, I'm like, it's a preview video. We got to make sure that we get those 2 $3 coupons on Sunday. But grabbing 2 for $19.98, subtracting the 2 $3 digitals, you'll pay $13.98. $10 register reward, making it $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per razor. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And again, we have to wait on Sunday morning what we receive for both the Venus and Gillette. The $3 digitals that we have now are expiring. Are they going to reset something better? Those, usually they give us $3 ones, so we'll have to wait and see how this one plays out. The P&G fancier line of their paper is $5.49. Bounty Charmin Puffs, there's a list of them. $5 reward when you buy 3. If these 3 digitals attach to these cheaper paper products, here's a deal that's going to work for us. Grabbing 4, and you need a mix and match of the Bounty Charmin and Puffs, $21.96, subtracting $3.50 in digitals. Again, we have to wait and see what attaches. You're going to pay $18.46 out of pocket, get back a $5 register reward, making it $13.46 for the 4 or $3.36 per paper product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. A little treat to stock up on for back to school is the Kellogg's cereal. Frosted Flakes will be 3 for $5.99. So you're going to grab 3 of the boxes for exactly $5.99. Now here's something really interesting. IBOTTA has a rebate right now for 50 cents back on each box. So make sure you have this guy loaded and it's there on Sunday when you go and do the deal. And the limit for this is up to 5 times. So you're going to get $1.50 back. Grabbing 3 of those boxes for $5.99. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $1.50 back. It makes it $4.49 for the 3 or $1.49 per box. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But any kind of deal that you might have to get some cheap cereal, I'm all about it. Hey, Pampers, 2 for $21. We have a 3 off 2 digital. $4 reward when you buy 2. Very straightforward deal. Grabbing 2 of these bags for $21, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $18. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $14 for the 2 or $7 per bag. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. I love this deal. The buy one, get 2 for free on the complete home food storage bags. It's $2.79 for the first, so basically it makes each box of 20, 93 cents. This is cheaper than Dollar Tree and a deal that everybody should be doing. And it's all the different sizes of bags from the half gallon to the sandwich. Do love this deal. Let's talk really quickly, guys, about some quick honorable mentions. The first one goes to the 2 for $10 with the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo. What digital manufacturer might we be receiving? I know we have a 2 off 2 Walgreens coupon, so it would make it 2 for $8. But if there's like a manufacturer, like a 4 off 2 or something better, I mean, possibly a week for the very cheap Elvive. $1.99 for the nice chocolates. So it's a chocolate covered nut. My husband loves these, so this is a very good price. And this is online only too, so pay attention to that. The $1 back to school supplies that include a sharpener, a little pencil bag, different things. There's also a 5 back when you spend 20. So, I mean, if you had a booster deal like spend 30, get back 10, possibly this would be something to throw into that. Buy one, get one 50% off on the VitaFusion plus a 10 off 2 digital coupon. So this might be a really great time to stock up on vitamins and supplements if you're trying to put a new regimen in with back to school. Just an idea. 3 for $9 with the Doritos. So we're getting close to Labor Day. So lots of like hot dogs, soda, chips. $3 for Doritos. That is called a stock up price. Ruffles are included. We have the 2 for $8 with the Reese's. If you can wait for a little bit, September and October have cheaper deals for candy with Halloween just right around the corner. This is still a little bit for $4. And then we have the buy 2, get 1 for free on the Mountain Dew and Pepsi products. And I know, you know, a lot of cookouts, if you might be having them the last weekend of the summer with Labor Day, there's going to be a lot more deals for soda and drinks. So you might want to just wait or stock up this week. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.